How do we space-proof food? We make food out of air. What we are bringing to the table is now a food production method that is completely disconnected from agriculture by using a process that's known as microbial gas fermentation. Solein is a powder that is protein. We actually have a direct air capturing system at the factory, so it captures the CO2 that our employees and visitors exhale. Our amino acid profile is actually very close to that of dried beef. It has B12 vitamin, no dairy, no eggs. We have a 1.5 megawatt electrolyzer, 20,000 liter reactor equal with respect to the protein production to 300 dairy cows or 50,000 egg-laying chickens. We actually have a demo kitchen. We have an excellent in-house Solein chef who's worked in a Michelin star restaurant beforehand. We host a lot of visitors. We usually serve like a 3-course menu. Our business model is B2B. We're not yet quite price competitive with the contemporary plant-based proteins like soy and pea, but we are already in the phase where we're designing our next factory, which will be a scale of 100 larger. Once we get that running at full capacity, then we will be price competitive. We can grow this anywhere. Sahara, the Antarctic, underground, underwater. As long as we have electricity, we can make food. We came out as the international winner in the NASA Deep Space Food Challenge. Currently, when astronauts go out to space, the food is basically sent with them. But if we want to endeavor further into the deep space, there needs to be a method on how to produce food on board. If we introduce our Solein bioprocess, we close those gas loops and we produce food, and actually the byproduct of Solein fermentation is water. Not only are we making food, but we're also making water. And how would you consume it in space? People don't want powders in zero gravity habitats because we may get contamination and people start breathing it in. So we will leave it to be this kind of a thick liquid and add some sugar, a little bit of vanilla or something, and you got yourself a protein shake. We are actually sending a small-scale fermentation experiment on board the ISS. Nobody has ever, to our knowledge, performed gas fermentation in space, so it's kind of a new thing to be done there. Even though our sort of technology readiness level here on Earth is basically 9, we're commercial. For space, we want to be at operational capacity by the year 2030.